Looking for the best solar-powered security cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 4. Ausu Solar Cam D1 Max. The AUU Solar Cam D1 Max is a powerful security solution that offers 360 degrees full coverage with an impressive 3K 5 megapixels Ultra HD lens, ensuring no corner of your property goes unnoticed. Its high-resolution capabilities allow you to monitor your home with crystal clear detail, giving you peace of mind knowing that every movement is captured accurately. Powered by the sun, the AUU Solar Cam D1 Max eliminates the need for wires and complex installations. Just 3 hours of direct sunlight provide enough energy to power the camera for a full day, making it both eco-friendly and hassle-free. This wireless flexibility allows you to place the camera wherever it's needed most. One of its standout features is enhanced AI detection, which smartly distinguishes between people, vehicles, and pets without requiring a subscription. It can also monitor parked cars and send real-time alerts when someone enters a designated zone. The advanced motion tracking system keeps tabs on all movement, automatically panning and tilting to follow the action while simultaneously recording. The AUU Solar Cam D1 Max offers additional customization with motion zones and two-way talk, enabling you to focus on specific areas and interact with visitors or deter potential intruders using voice, light, and siren alarms. Its smart home compatibility integrates easily with Alexa and Google Assistant, enhancing convenience. Priced at just $129.99, the AUU Solar Cam D1 Max is an affordable feature-packed option for homeowners seeking high-performance solar-powered security. Number 3. SoloCam S340. The AUU SoloCam S340 is a feature-rich security camera designed to provide comprehensive home surveillance with enhanced clarity and convenience. Equipped with dual cameras that deliver ultra-clear 3K resolution, the SoloCam S340 ensures that every event around your home is captured in vivid detail, even at a distance of up to 50 feet. With an 8x zoom feature, you can easily identify who's approaching your property. Powered by a removable solar panel, this camera is built to run continuously with minimal maintenance, offering a truly set-it-and-forget-it solution. Its 360 degrees coverage guarantees that there are no blind spots, making it easy to monitor everything from your front porch to your backyard and driveway in one go. The dual view feature enhances surveillance by allowing you to see the wider area while focusing on critical details within the same frame. With local storage, there's no need for a monthly subscription, making the SoloCam S340 a cost-effective choice with no hidden fees. Setting up the SoloCam S340 is a breeze thanks to its compact and wire-free design that can be installed in just 5 minutes. Smart integrations with Alexa and Google Assistant offer convenient control, adding to the camera's versatility. Priced at $199.99, the AUU SoloCam S340 delivers robust security features at an affordable price, making it a standout option for homeowners looking for reliable, long-lasting surveillance. Number 2. Basius S1 Pro. The basius S1 Pro is a revolutionary solar-powered security camera boasting the world's first sun-powered tracking system. This cutting-edge feature allows the solar panel to adjust 40 degrees left and right, optimizing exposure to sunlight and capturing 100% more solar energy than traditional fixed panels. This eco-friendly solution ensures uninterrupted year-round protection without the hassle of frequent recharging or power concerns. Equipped with dual cameras that offer crisp 3K clarity, the basius S1 Pro delivers a crystal-clear dual view, allowing users to zoom up to 8x for detailed surveillance. Its Neuron XAI technology enhances smart TR tracking and detection, providing peace of mind with reliable motion sensing and real-time alerts. Designed for effortless installation, the wire-free basius S1 Pro can be set up in minutes, making it a versatile choice for any location. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, it offers durability alongside its advanced features. Privacy is a top priority with TÜV-certified military-grade encryption, ensuring that data is securely stored and accessible only to the owner. The camera includes 16 GB of built-in MK storage, capable of holding up to 3 months of footage, with the option to expand to 16 TB for longer retention. Priced at $429.99 for a 2-camera kit, the basius S1 Pro offers a premium energy-efficient solution with voice assist, consistent compatibility, and two-way chat for real-time communication. UI. Number 1. Swan Max Ranger 4K is a high-tech outdoor security camera system that offers clear 4K video, even in low light or at night, thanks to its Sony Starvis 4K sensors. With a viewing range of up to 100 feet and a 105 degrees field of view, it provides excellent coverage for your property, day or night. This system is 100% wire-free, thanks to built-in solar panels, giving you the freedom to place cameras wherever needed. Its advanced 900 MHz Wi-Fi technology offers up to 20 times the coverage of regular Wi-Fi, allowing the cameras to be placed 650 to 2,000 feet from the hub. Whether it's fences, trees, or distant buildings, the camera maintains strong, reliable connections, reducing signal dropouts. The system's rechargeable 12,600 mAh battery lasts a long time, and if there's a power outage, it can keep recording for up to 5 hours with its backup battery. With an IP66 weatherproof rating, the Max Ranger 4K can withstand all kinds of weather, ensuring year-round protection. The system's hub comes with a pre-installed 64GB SD card for local recording and cloud backup with no ongoing fees. Priced at $699.99 for a 2-camera kit, it also includes two-way audio, so you can communicate with visitors or deter intruders remotely.